Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Instagram Reels. Want to create Instagram Reels with someone else? In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate on Instagram Reels using the collab feature and other methods. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open Instagram and start a new reel. And to do that, just click on the Instagram app. I'm gonna connect my internet connection. Just as you enter Instagram, you're gonna click on the plus button on the bottom. Usually it's on the bottom on mobile devices, but as I'm using a tablet, the layout is a bit different, so it's displayed in the left side. I'm just gonna click on the plus button, and here I'm gonna record or upload a video depending on what you want. I'm gonna choose the reels, for example. I'm just gonna redo this and click on Reels and record any reel. The second step is to add a collaborator, and to do that, tap on Next. Now after you record a reel, for example, I just recorded an empty screen. I'm just gonna click on Next. Click on the Next button, and then click on Next again, and click on Tag People, and here click on Invite Collaborators and search for the person's username and select them. And the third step is to post the reel. Now after adding the collaborator, tap on Share. You can see here, after you add a collaborator, you just click on Share and the collaborator will receive a request. Once accepted, the reel appears on both accounts. For alternative, use the remix feature. Now if collaboration is disabled, ask the other person to post their reel first and then open their reel and tap remix this reel and record your part. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to collaborate on Instagram Reels. This feature is useful to increase engagement and reach a larger audience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.